Today we are going to fix GeForce Now this error code. Let's start. The first solution is clearing GeForce Now's cache files. To do this, we press Windows and R keys at the same time to open Run. After opening Run, we type %local update % and then click on OK. In the folder that opens, we find NVIDIA Corporation and double click on it. After that, we double click on GeForce Now folder. Here, we select Save Cache folder and delete it. Remember, after deleting the cache files, you need to log back in the GFN again. We have cleared GeForce Now's cache files. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is changing DNS. If our DNS is causing issues, changing it will solve the problem. To do this, we come to the search section and search for control panel. After opening control panel, we click on network and internet, network and sharing center, and then click on our connection. Once we have done that, we open properties. In the items list, we select IPv4 and then click on properties again. Right now, I am using Google's DNS server, but you can also use Cloudflare's too. To use that, set preferred DNS server to 1111 and alternate DNS server to 1001. The DNS servers I am showing right now is completely safe to use. After setting the DNS, click on OK and close the tabs. We have changed our DNS. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The final solution is resetting our network. To do this, we come to the search section and search for CMD. After searching for CMD, we open it as admin. Here, we need to type some codes. You can find the codes in the video description below. The codes we will type in CMD won't harm our PC. After typing the codes, press Enter. To complete the reset, we need to restart our device. After restarting, you can check whether the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.